Yes, Hillary. One of the things, let me get a break from you today. Me speak to everybody beside you and look there you just a call me, Martin. You have work later. I'm tired. Hillary. You hear about the new movie will come out? It called Get Out. Let me tell you, this government is so corrupt. Listen. All the people them never hear about all them girls that gone missing in Washington, D.C. True story. Me hear say about 500 girls and boys. Mostly girls though. What do you know about that? Because of your corrupt friends then. You know government, you know, behind it. I don't know. I don't know whether it is sex trafficking or it's organ harvesting that they're doing. Yes. Because, you know, them kill the people, them, especially the black people, them, and harvest their organs and sell it off. And make a lot of money. Why this world evil? What people will do for money, Hillary? It's terrible. No, it's true. I may have to let the people them know me now watch what me have to say, me now watch what me have to say. Me have to tell the people. Come over the phone, Hillary, me don't want to hear nothing. We have another call coming in. Right. We talk to you later. Okay. Hello? Hi, who this? David Icke. David Icke? You're kidding me. I watch all your shows all the time. You and Alex Jones. Yeah. And you open my eyes to all the nastiness that's going on in the world today. How the government corrupt and everything. Listen, David, walk one with all these girls in Washington, D.C. and boys that's disappearing by the hundreds. And the government, no, and them never say anything to anybody. It just a bust out now. Me know, David. Yes. I don't know, David, whether it is sex trafficking or whether it's organ harvesting. Yes, and them sell after people them organs, after them kill them and do them little sacrifice and all them Illuminati crap. I don't know what's going on. It is a crazy world. Yeah, David, please be careful. Be careful. Be careful, David. Be careful. And Alex Jones to be careful too. I'll better be careful. But you know what? I don't care. I just don't care no more. The people, them need to get the knowledge and they need to know the truth about this world. I'm protected by the Lord Almighty. Rastafari. It is terrible. No, they have a new movie called Get Out. Me have to go see it. Yes. And it's about organ harvesting where they kill people for their organs and get a wad of money, baby. Yes. Oh, I still have to pick up my son from school. I may have work later. But David, me and you can talk. Me and you, we are going to talk soon. Yes. Keep up the good work. Be careful. God bless. Bye.